Hi, ma'am. Tell me about yourself. Your first name, please.
Hello, Mom, Sir. I'm Leia Raylan Lancita.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
Okay. Where do you live, ma'am?
I live in Maybutantangan, South Cotabato.
Okay. Are you single or married?
Single mom.
Okay. Do you have kids?
I have two kids.
Okay. Can you tell me the age of your children and their gender?
One boy is 8 years old and one girl is 2 years old.
Okay. Thank you. And how many siblings do you have?
5 mom.
Okay. What is your order in the family?
No mom. I'm second in my family.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate mom.
Okay. May I know the reason why you did not go to college?
Because I'm not support my financially.
Okay. And do you have work experience abroad?
Yes mom.
Okay. Can you tell me how many years of experience do you have abroad?
In Dubai, 2 years old, finished contract.
What is your main duty there?
I also take care children, cooking, cleaning, all around ma'am.
Okay. And you finish your contract for 2 years in one
Yes.
employer.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. And then what is your next abroad experience, ma'am?
In Singapore ma'am,
Okay. How many years?
4 years in one employer also.
And what is your main duty there?
Is also take care of children,
Okay.
and cooking, cleaning.
Okay. And your next experience abroad, ma'am?
In Hong Kong ma'am,
Okay, for how many years?
4 years.
Okay, almost 4 years or
Almost
4
4
years?
years. Yeah, ma'am. Almost 4
Okay.
years.
And then, what is your main duty? Is it one employer as well?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what is your main duties and responsibilities there?
Also I take care baby, children also.
Okay. And may I know why you did not finish the contract on the Hong Kong? You said it's 4 years experience, right? So
Yes ma'am.
that's almost 2 contracts, correct?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, the first contract you finish it
Yes
for
ma'am. I
2
finished
years,
it.
and then they renew.
They renew also my contract.
Okay. And then on the second contract, how many months did you stay in your employer?
Uh, almost 2 years ma'am.
1 year, 10 months,
Yeah
correct?
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay. And may I know the reason why you didn't finish the contract?
Because they didn't support my financially to to my salary.
Okay, they cannot sustain your
Yeah,
salary,
yes, ma'am, yes,
so
ma'am.
they decided
Yes,
to
ma'am.
terminate your employment,
Yes
correct?
ma'am. Left 2
Okay.
months.
Okay. And also, can you describe yourself? How will you describe yourself?
Mom, sir, I describe to you, I'm understanding, cheerful, and honest to your family.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo, ma'am, in your body?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I need to support my financially to my family and also to save to my 2 kids in the future.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And now, what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, mom, sir. If you choose me as your worker, I promise to do you. I do my best, and I finish my contract to you.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song for us?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, sir, and ma'am.